When it comes to creating content online, especially maybe you are a YouTuber, you are creating content online and you are posting your videos, you will notice that most of your videos are not getting views, are not getting on search, you are not seeing them on search engine. Most of the reasons that you are not optimizing your video for the right keyword people are searching for. So, as a starter, one of the tools you should get on is a keyword research tools, maybe keyword like if you are into blogging, you know a lot of these keyword research tools. Even YouTube also have them. So in this particular video, I'm going to show you how to get Vidiq Pro at which costs you around $49. I'm going to show you how to get it less than $10. I'm going to show you the coupon code you are going to use to get it less than $10. Maybe you are a beginner, you're just starting your YouTube channel, or you're also a pro and you're looking for Vidiq Pro coupon code or discount code. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how you can get it in just less than $10. So if this is your first time watching our video tutorial, please click on the subscribe button, like and comment. So let me open my PC now. I'm going to walk you through how to get Vidiq Pro at just less than $10. So remember to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So let's get started. So welcome back. So I'm going to walk you through how you can get your Vidiq Pro and start using it for your keyword research for your YouTube videos. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, please try and possible and subscribe so you get useful updates whenever we drop amazing video like this. So I'm going to walk you through and how you can do this and how you can follow this same process. When your first month has finished, you can follow this same process again to get access to Vidiq Pro at less than $10. So let's get started. So I'm going to go to vidiq.com. So you can click on the link under this video description. So it's going to take you to vidiq.com. So let me log into my Gmail as well. So this is Vidiq. This is what most YouTuber, if they are not using Vidiq, they are going to use tool button for their YouTube video keyword research. With these tools, you are going to be able to do keyword research of what people are searching for on YouTube. So this is what you are going to do, promote your content on, and how you are going to use it to optimize your videos. So after you have reached here, waiting for it to load successfully. Still loading. Waiting for it to load. So it has load finished successfully. So you can choose any of the email you like. So what you have to do, just enter the email you want to register it with. So my email is still loading, waiting for it to load. So waiting for it to load. So, okay, let me just enter one of my email. So enter your email. So the next thing, you enter your password. Just enter the password you can easily remember. Then click on sign up. Waiting for you to reload. So waiting for you to. So just log in your account. So log in your account. Oh, sorry, I think the network does not allow it. So let me just try and register again. Sign up. Let me enter my email. Enter your password. You can sign up. Waiting for it. So welcome. So the next thing you have to add your YouTube channel. So if this is your first time, like one of the issue you can face, maybe you have already used Vidiq for your channel before. So what you have to do, Vidiq will not allow you to use the same channel on another account. So and you must add a YouTube channel to that account. So what you have to do, maybe you have already used your YouTube channel for on one of Vidiq accounts before. So just create a demo YouTube account. So that's how you're going to be able to access to Vidiq dashboard. So just add your channel. So after you successfully add your channel to it, it's going to take you to your dashboard. So what you have to do next is to confirm your email. So just go to your email that you used to register. So to look, you're looking still looking for the email. Okay, this is Vidiq email confirmation. So just click it here, just click to confirm your email. Still waiting for it to load successfully. Now, so just click on this, cancel it, just go to your dashboard. So you are going to get access to the free, but the free have a limitation that you are going to there's a limitation of keyword that the software is going to generate for you. So for you to be to generate unlimited keyword, the best is to upgrade to boost. So to upgrade to the pro version, just cancel. So you just have to upgrade to the boost. So just click on SEO boost. So just click on the upgrade to boost. You're going to see it here down here, upgrade to boost. So they have a lot of plans. They have the max $99 per month, $49 per month, $10 per month. So this coupon code is going to work for this boost, which is $49 per month. So you're going to be paying less than $5. So just choose one channel and click on upgrade to boost. Waiting for you to load. So upgrade to boost. So it's going to currency is going to cost you $49, which is around $50. So maybe you're just starting up. This may be heavy fee for you to pay, and maybe also you want to save yourself some fee, some dollars. So that's why this coupon code is for you. So just click on I have a promo code and enter this word think, and see it is here. Think. So can you see it's going to give you 90% off on your first order. Instead of you paying $49 at first, you're going to pay $4.90, which is around $50 for the first month. So after you finish, and what you should take note that this coupon code is not going to work if you're going to use PayPal for your payment. So the next thing, sorry, I'm having network issue, that's why. So the next thing you have to do is to make sure you use your card to purchase for this plan. So just use your card. So if you're in Nigeria and you are looking for card, you can use mostly virtual card. You can just download Payday on your Play Store and register and generate a virtual card to make payment, because most of the card is not making payment online, and you cannot use your PayPal because PayPal is not going to work with the coupon code. So just enter the word thing in your checkout. You are going to get 90% off, and after you finish the first month, which they are going, and the second month they're going to charge you around $49. So all you have to do is to follow this procedure again and create another account to get the boost for less than $5. So this is how you can get Vidiq Pro boost for less than $5. So if you find this video useful, please click on the subscribe button, like and comment. We will see you again. Thank you very much.